Okay, today we have something new. And by new, I mean I didn't even know it existed. I've never seen one of these before. First time I've seen one. Haven't even seen them online or anything. Interesting. And another interesting thing about these, when you break the beam for the sensors, the light will come on. I thought that they couldn't do that anymore because of something with the genie and overhead door and having a patent for it or something, I don't know. Another weird thing, the wall controls, as well as the remotes, thought I had a remote with me, there we go, are not LiftMaster branded, but are instead MyQ branded. Got a little picture of a garage door on here as well as on the remote. Let's close it with this. Of course, we got a full one-piece T-rail. It's a clopay door. Now let's open it with the MyQ remote. Very first time seeing one of these. Like I said, haven't even seen them online or anything, so I guess this is a new, I gotta assume, economy model. So yeah, just wanted to make a quick video of it. Thanks for watching.